If Steam is showing a browser error or a bootstrapper error, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step solution that clears Steam's browser data and refreshes the app so it can load properly again. This is a great first fix to try before moving on to more advanced troubleshooting, and it can solve issues caused by corrupted browser cache or broken internal data. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get started. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner and click on Steam. This opens the main menu where you'll find the settings options you need. From the menu, click Settings. The settings window is where Steam keeps all of its important configuration options, including browser-related data. Now, in the left-hand menu, go to In-Game. Even though this sounds like a gaming setting, this is also where Steam stores web browser data that can sometimes cause loading issues and errors. Once you're in the in-game section, look for the option that says Delete Web Browser Data. This is the key step in the fix. When Steam's browser cache or stored web data becomes corrupted, it can cause bootstrapper errors, browser errors, page loading problems, or strange behavior inside the Steam client. Clicking Delete web browser data clears that stored information and forces Steam to rebuild it fresh the next time it opens. After you click it, confirm the action if Steam asks you to. You may notice the app refreshing or clearing out some internal data. Once that's done, the next step is very important. Restart Steam completely. Close Steam fully, make sure it is not running in the background, and then open it again. Restarting Steam gives it a clean start and allows the browser data reset to take effect properly. If Steam opens normally after that, the issue was likely caused by a broken browser cache, and you should be good to go. This is one of the fastest and safest fixes you can try, and it often resolves browser-related Steam errors without needing to reinstall anything. If the problem still appears after restarting Steam, you may want to repeat the process one more time and make sure Steam is fully closed before reopening it. Also, check whether any Steam updates are pending, because an outdated client can sometimes contribute to browser errors too. But in many cases, deleting the web browser data is enough to fix the issue right away. So to recap, open Steam, go to the Steam menu, open Settings, head to In-Game, click Delete Web Browser Data, and then restart Steam. That's the complete fix for this Steam browser error and bootstrapper issue. I hope this tutorial helped you get Steam working again. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.